Gordon is a very proud steam engine. He's the fastest engine on the island of Sodor. He is loves speeding along his line with the wind blowing across his funnel. You've broken the record again, said his driver. I'm the fastest, boasted Gordon, but not all the engines were impressed. Speed isn't everything, said Jake smugly, but being reliable and useful is, said Thomas. You slow engines will never understand, snorted Gordon, because you'll never go as fast as me. Thomas likes making special deliveries with the back controller. It makes him feel special, but secretly he wished he could go as fast as Gordon just once. Thomas arrived at the docks, excited to see the jet engine. It was shiny and modern, and Thomas had never seen anything like it. He couldn't wait to start his journey, but Cranky was taking his time. Hurry up, huffed Thomas. This is a special. Cranky did not like being told what to do, especially by an engine. He became so cranky that he was careless with his hook. His hook knocked the switch, and the switch started the jet engine. The engine began to whine. The whine got louder and louder and louder. Uh-oh, said Cranky. Before he could say anything else, a jet engine was rocking Thomas up the track. Whoa! The driver put on the brakes, but Thomas couldn't stop. Oh, boy! The station master called ahead. Clear the lights, it's a runaway train! Signals were changed and the points were switched. Thomas had never been so excited. Thomas flew by James and rocketed past Henry. And raced by Percy. They were amazed. Bertie was excited when he saw Thomas fly down the track. Want to race, Thomas? Beat Bertie. Never mind. No one had ever seen an engine go so fast. Gordon had no idea that Thomas was racing along the main line. I am the fastest, said Gordon proudly. Bye, Gordon! Bye, Gordon! Gordon could not believe what he had seen. At last, the engine had ran out of fuel, and Tom was back onto his own power. He'd steamed gently back into Narrated Station. Sorry for overtaking you back there, Gordon, teased Thomas. Overtake me? I didn't notice, Gordon huffed. You didn't notice the fastest engine on the island of Sodor, said Henry. Yes, I am the fastest, puffed Thomas. Percy felt a little sorry for Gordon. Gordon does have to go as fast as a jet engine. He's a steam engine. But he's still full of hot air, whistled James. And Gordon wheezed away.